Kashan, an ancient city in the heart of Iran's desert, holds a history filled with fragrance and tradition. The old houses of Kashan, with their elegant courtyards and wind towers, whisper stories of centuries past. Kashan's old bazaar bustles with life. Colorful fabrics, local spices, and the graceful steps of women in traditional dress. In the foothills around Kashan, fertile lands await the planting of a legendary flower, the Damask rose. With steady hands, farmers plant rose cuttings deep into the soil, each one a promise of future fragrance. It takes 3 to 4 years of patience and care before the roses bloom in full glory. In early May, the rose fields awaken, thousands of blossoms painting the land in pink. At sunrise, women in colorful traditional dress step into the rose fields, ready to harvest nature's gift. One by one, the roses are gently picked by hand and placed into woven baskets with care and joy. Laughter fills the air as the girls of Kashan, with glowing smiles, gather roses under the morning sun. Damask roses must be picked every morning to preserve their fresh fragrance and quality. With baskets full of fresh roses, the young girl walks along the village path, carrying the harvest to the traditional distillery. In copper stills, the fragrant rose petals meet steam, releasing their precious essence. The sweet aroma fills the old courtyard as women tend the copper stills with care. Steam rises gently as the rosewater slowly condenses, capturing the flower's pure essence. The precious rosewater is carefully poured into glass bottles, ready to share its fragrance with the world. Once bottled, the rosewater is carefully sealed and labeled, preserving its purity and aroma. Rosewater is widely used in sweets and traditional dishes, bringing a unique flavor and aroma. In traditional homes, rosewater flavors desserts and drinks, bringing friends and family together. Foreign tourists stroll through Kashan's old bazaar, enchanted by the scent of rosewater, choosing bottles to take home as a piece of Persian heritage. As the sun rises once more over the rose fields, the scent of Kashan lingers, timeless, pure, and unforgettable.